Hey everyone, Maureen Bakis here from landscapesforlearning.com, where I provide behavioral health education and coaching to help you lift the heavy weight of being human. It ain't easy being human. Today I'm going to talk about learning. Learning involves agitation, threat detection, and alertness, because learning is a process of traveling from the known, safe, and familiar to the unknown, the unsafe, and the unfamiliar. And learning is not merely intellectual, academic, or a brain-only activity, as we have been accustomed to thinking it is. It's deeply, deeply embodied and involves our entire mind, nervous system, body, being. We don't teach curriculum or content or weightlifting programs if we're a coach, or yoga postures if you're a yoga teacher, or ideologies if we're a school teacher. We teach people. We teach one human embodied nervous system to another. We teachers and coaches and therapists must know ourselves as mind-body systems to effectively foster learning. If learning involves agitation, physiological disruption to grow, challenges, we have to understand how to manage those processes within ourselves so that we can help co-regulate, we can help properly support the other nervous systems who are having those same experiences. If we want to foster optimal learning and optimal health and wellness and mastery, and whatever that looks like and manifests in each unique individual person / student, whomever client, whomever we're working with. We cannot foster the learning process, the embodied learning process, if we don't understand how that embodied process works within ourselves, our unique systems, and who we are as mind-body beings. So, if you are any sort of teacher or involved in helping or facilitating, then you need my workshops in embodied learning. I take revolutionary cutting-edge information from neuroscience, interpersonal neurobiology, and nervous system health from the experts in the field and make simplified, simple, accurate, important, critical information accessible to ordinary people, to teachers. It takes one to know one. I'm a yoga teacher. I'm a parent of 4. I was a former high school teacher. So I want to bring this really, really critical information to my colleagues and make it accessible to you in the ways that you specifically need for your institution, your business, your organization, where you're professionally engaged in this learning process. It's also going to improve your personal life and your personal learning and your personal health. So it's a win-win, both personally and professionally, to invite me into your organization or to come to your gym or your school and teach about interpersonal neurobiology, nervous system health, and embodied learning. I have tons of resources to resource you. Teachers share, that's what we do. So please, if you are interested in really fostering authentic learning, not just talk therapy or talk teaching, but the entire holistic, whole person embodied learning, then contact me at landscapesforlearning.com. You can check out the products and services there, and I'd be happy to come and talk to you directly and describe more in detail what my workshops entail. And I have to tell you, you have to be willing to be a little uncomfortable and to be willing to be agitated, to understand, to engage in this process of embodied learning. So if you're willing to do that and you're all curious and you need a little bit of curiosity too, please contact me, landscapesforlearning27@gmail.com, or visit landscapesforlearning.com. Embodied learning, top-down, bottom-up learning, is more authentic social justice And it's exactly what we need today in our society, in our classrooms, and in any place where groups of people get together to teach and learn. I look forward to connecting with you soon.